Hi guys, Sarah here. I haven't done a WIP Chat in a while, so I thought I would come on and show you guys what I'm working on. This is my canvas from Everydayedeals. I have just this section of white background to complete. Ugh, it's killing me. I have so much white that my eyes are going batty, and the symbols, see me pushing these up here, are driving me crazy because you can see the symbols through the drills. So let me get the camera set up and we can get this one finished. All right, so I'm just working in the top section up here. I kind of filled some in and I'm just creating a little pattern here so I can use my multi-placer. Today is Sunday, November the 1st. Just going back to work tomorrow after a week off of sitting at home doing absolutely nothing. I had all these plans of accomplishing a lot of things, doing some filming, and obviously you guys can see from my videos that there really wasn't anything new and exciting. I did not even complete Halloween projects that I wanted to do. I had started a Dollar Tree haunted house that I was making for Jonathan. That never got completed, so that'll be a project for next year. I did kit up and start working on Scaredy Cats by Diamond Art Club, but I actually didn't work on it very much. I honestly just have not felt like doing a lot of diamond painting lately either, so it's kind of like if I had focused and worked on it, I would have had that Scaredy Cats completed, I'm sure, because I really wanted to do that one, but I had to do a lot of running around, did some cleaning, organizing. I had a new fridge delivered, so I had to clean that space and clean out the existing fridge. So just a lot of regular everyday stuff that just kind of got in the way of me just diamond painting. So today I told myself I'm just doing nothing. I did sit and watch a movie this morning and then had some lunch and just sitting down and working on this. We've already got snow going on outside, not a lot, and it's more just like freezing rain, snow type of stuff. I am in southwestern Ontario, so fall is the season of whiplash, where this weekend we had snow, but next week it's going to be 20 degrees outside and it's summer again. So just another reason why everybody gets cold and gets sick, because the weather keeps changing on us. But anyways, that's just me complaining. Yeah, so I did get my mystery diamond painting sent to me by Cat Eared. Julie was looking for promoters on Facebook, and I volunteered to check out her product. I was always a fan of Yo-Yo Diamond Painting, and I did not actually realize that they had changed the name to Cat Eared. So yeah, pretty excited about that. It's all in baggies, so it's kitted up and ready to go, but I wanted to finish this one first. This one is one that was sent to me by Everydayedeals, and I need to get it done. They actually did contact me again and asked me to review more, so I'm going to be doing some more reviews for them. And then I also got contacted by Everyday Crafts, which I got confused because I thought that was the same company as Everydayedeals, but apparently it's not. So I have diamond paintings coming from them also. So more reviews for you guys. And I do have 3 Diamond Art Club orders that are going to be coming in next week, hopefully. The first one that I received shipping notification on was 2 weeks ago, new release. But I received shipping notification and I checked the tracking and it was just being sent to DHL or is it UPS that they use. I can't remember. I think it's UPS. It was just sent, so there was no tracking, but it did have the number. And then the next time I clicked on it, it said the number was not a tracking number. So it was like that for almost a week. But finally this weekend, it now shows that it's shipping, but it's coming like a whole week later than what I would normally have received it. So that's kind of frustrating. And also going to be like a backlog there because I have that. I did purchase new releases from not this weekend, but the weekend before. And my last pre-order that I was waiting on has also shipped. So I have Sasha and Jet, that image, and the Sweet Life. Those two were my last pre-ordered paintings. So they are on their way also. So I will spread them all out for you guys. I don't want to like inundate you. That's why I've only been doing unboxings for Diamond Art Club. I only post them on Fridays. So it's something different for you guys. And most of those are pre-orders. Well, 2 of those orders are going to be new releases, but the pre-orders, I'll push them towards the end. And I realized that I only unboxed Scaredy Cats. I purchased 2 of the Halloween paintings, so I still have Chocolate Toil and Trouble, which is the Randall Spangler dragons for Halloween. I haven't unboxed it yet, so I still have to film that one. So many paintings, so little time. Definitely getting back in the swing of this. Not totally concerning myself with covering up the symbols because I know it's going to be hard and it's just frustrating. I'll go through after and push around if I have to. But this way with the multi-placer, it gets done really fast. And this is where I get bored, when you have the same color over and over again. Just gets so boring. But it's exciting that this one is almost done. What else is going on? Nothing really. Not looking forward to working tomorrow. My day job. Boo. Sadly, I did not win the lottery last week. To start doing some Christmas shopping too. Usually around this time we would already be done because we would have done like a couple of cross-border trips and got some stuff, and definitely usually buy all my stocking stuffers in the States because they have all the fancy cool candies and like Christmas wrapping specialty stuff. We don't get a ton of that here, but sounds like the kids just want gift cards and money anyways. It's hard when your kids get older. They don't want toys. There is still some Lego that Jonathan wants, the Technics ones that you make something that moves, so that'll be fun, but other than that, it's video games. Boo. Alright, let me get this one flipped around. Be right back. I feel like there's still so much more to do now that I've taken off these papers. But we just do a little pattern and it'll get done. Makes it a little more fun. What else? What is new with you guys? Come on. I do want to also start my crystal canvas, the pineapple canvas that I purchased. I've had that sitting here ready to go. So I think what I'm going to start is, I mentioned this before, but I'm gonna do like I do Diamond Art Club on Fridays for the unboxing. I'll pick a day of the week, and that will be when I work on my crystal canvas, and then another day of the week for the store reviews, and then I will have one day to work on mystery diamond painting, and we'll do it that way. And hopefully that will help me keep on track and keep creating content for you guys. As usual, if you have any questions, I respond as soon as I can. If there's something you want me to take a look at, I can see if I can. I don't have unlimited resources, but I don't mind trying some things out. I always check out Etsy for like cover minders and wax, but unfortunately, being in Canada, most of those are in the US or in other countries, and to ship to Canada is more than what the cost of the actual product is, and I just can't justify that, unfortunately. I don't really want to spend $5 on a little container of wax and then $20 to ship it. Just kind of crazy when pink wax works just fine for me. I'd love to try them, but I'd rather spend my money on canvases than those type of expenses. I just don't understand how it can be $20 to ship a tiny thing. I don't know if it's Etsy that sets those prices or the seller. Not sure. That's just something you won't see on my channel. Look at that. As soon as this is done, I can do post review. Get started on another one. I don't know if I'm going to put Scaredy Cats to the side now or just finish it anyways. I kind of want to finish it anyways because I love the image. I love black cats. I do want to pick one of my winter ones to work on for Christmas, and I think it's going to be the I think it's Winter's Oasis from Diamond Art Club, the Chuck Benson, or I don't know if that's Chuck Benson, I can't remember, but Winter's Oasis, the one with like the purples and blues and the cabin and horses. I think that one will be really pretty to work on for Christmas or winter. So after Scaredy Cats, that will be my next Diamond Art Club. But I definitely have to make my Christmas cards soon because I want to get them out early. No, I think that's it. I can't think of anything else to share with you guys. Again, if there's anything, any questions, comments, let me know. I won't bore you guys with my white drills, white. But I will share the completed video when it's done. All right, leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks, bye.